Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost house in Minecraft. Start by selecting a desolate spot in your Minecraft world, perhaps a dark forest or a swamp, to enhance the eerie atmosphere. Construct a simple, box-like house using materials such as obsidian, deep slate, or dark oak planks. Aim for a structure with at least 2 stories to provide ample space for your ghostly effects and to create a sense of depth and mystery. This foundational step. Next, focus on creating a truly unsettling ambience. Replace bright torches with dim redstone lamps or soul lanterns, setting them to flicker intermittently for a jump scare effect. Scatter cobwebs generously across walls, ceilings, and corners to simulate years of neglect. For an added layer of mystery, consider using a combination of gray concrete powder and light gray stained glass to mimic a subtle fog, enhancing the ghostly feel. A critical step is linking your bank account to receive your funds. You must connect a United States-based transactional bank account. Prepaid cards or online-only accounts are not supported. You'll need to input your bank's routing number and your specific account number, which can typically be found on your checks or by contacting your bank. Square will then send 1 or 2 small test deposits to verify the account. You must confirm these amounts to complete the bank verification process, which can take up to 4 business days. Finally, elevate the fear factor with clever traps and jump scares. Implement hidden piston doors that unexpectedly slide open or slam shut, blocking pathways or revealing new horrors. Construct falling sand or gravel traps above doorways to give visitors a sudden fright. For a more active scare, set up dispensers loaded with arrows or fire charges, triggered by tripwires, to create unexpected attacks. These elements will ensure your ghost house is a truly memorable and terrifying experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.